So, question number 5, we have a curve has the equation y equals to 3 over 2x squared minus 5. Find the equation of the normal to the curve at point 21. Give your answer in this form, right. So, let us take first of all the equation. I can be written as, I am just rewriting the equation, 2x squared minus 5 power minus 1. Now, let us differentiate that to get the gradient. So, this is 3 negative 1, this power will come over here, 2x squared minus 5 power minus 1 by chain rule, then derivative of this 2 times 2, it is going to be 4x, right. So, now this can be written as negative 12, this is 3 times 4 is 12, then we have x here and 2x squared minus 5 power minus 2. So, this can also be written as negative 12x over 2x squared minus 5 power 2, right. So, this is the gradient. So, now the gradient at point, we have this point at 2 1. So, dy over dx at x equals to 2. So, here x is 2, you can see the x value is 2. So, then this is going to be negative 12 times 2 over 2 times 2 squared minus 5 power 2. So, this is negative 24 over 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times minus 5 is 3, 3 squared is 9, 24 over 9, this can be simplified as 8 over 3. Now, tangent of the normal. So, we are looking for the tangent of the normal or tangent to the normal will be given by the gradient is product of the gradient is negative 1. So, we got one gradient as negative 3, 8 over 3 times m2 is minus 1. So, m2 is going to be 3 over 8, right. So, we got the gradient as 3 over 8. Now, equation of the normal line, that is our question. Equation, we are looking for the equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is going to be y minus y1 at point, we have the point 2 1. Here you can see this is the point, we are looking for the equation of the normal at point 2 1. So, at 2 1, so general form of the equation is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, right. Y minus y1, y1 is here, from here is 1 equals to gradient is 3 over 8, x is x1 is 2, right. So, y this 8 can be multiplied this side and then this is 3x minus 2. So, just expand the brackets, 3x minus 6. So, our equation this should be, I am putting this on other side. So, 3x minus 6 minus 8y plus 8, right. Sorry, this is 8y here. So, this is 0 equals to 3x minus 8y plus 2. So, that is our final answer, 3x minus 8y plus 2, this is the equation of the norm. Now, let us move to the next question. It is given that the coefficient of x cubed in this expansion is 432. Find the value of constant a. So, we have to do step by step, do not do everything together. So, that is going to give you some trouble in the calculations. So, I will take first here. So, I am going to expand this. So, we will have 4 c 0 and then 2 power 4 plus 4 c 1 2 power 3 and a x, okay. Then plus 4 c 2 2 power 2, then we have a x and squared, right. Then plus 4 c 1 2 3 4 c 3 2 power it is going to be 1 2 power 1 into a x power 3 and finally we have 4c4 2 power 0 and ax power 4, right. So, now let us expand that. So, this can be expanded as 4c0 is 1. So, 2 power 4 plus 4c1 is 4. C1 is 4 and then 2 power 3 from here. I am just writing it. 2 power 3 is then we have ax, sorry, then we have here ax. So, we are done with this term. Then 4c2, 4c2 is 6, you can calculate aside there, and 2 power 2 is 4 times ax squared, right. Then 4c3 is going to be 4 times 2 times ax power 3, then plus 1 times ax power 4, right. So, now we can further we can write it down. 2 power 4 is going to be 16 plus 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 32 ax, then 24 a square x squared plus then 8 a cubed x cubed plus a power 4 and x power 4, right. So, this is the expansion of this first term. So, we have here x 2 plus ax power 4 and we are multiplying it by 5 minus ax, right. So, I am just writing this first here 5 minus ax, then this expansion we already have from here. So, I am rewriting the whole thing here 32 ax plus 24 a square x squared plus 8 a cubed x cubed plus a 4 x 4, right. So, now there is no need to expand this whole thing over here, because we are looking for the coefficient of x cube in the expansion. We are given coefficient of x cube is 432, right. So, let us see where we can get x cube. So, now here if you see, then x cubed is here, 5 is going to multiply to all of them. So, if you multiply this and this, then you are going to get coefficient of x cube, right. So, this is we will write down here coefficient of x cube is going to be 5 times 8 a cubed, right. X cube we will not write because we are writing the coefficient, right. Then we have the next one is going to be when we multiply here ax. So, here is x cube square and here is x, here is x times x will give x cube, right. So, this is going to be minus 24 a cube and minus 24 a cube, okay. So, this is the coefficient, right. So, what is this now? Let us see. This is 5 times 40 a cubed minus 24 a cubed. So, this comes out to be 16 a cubed, and now we are given that the coefficient is, and this term is equal to 432. This is given to us, okay. So, now we can find out a cube from here. 432 divided by 16, which is 27. So, we have a cube, a is equal to cube root of 27. So, a is 3. So, that is the final answer for this one.